What's up guys? So today we'll be unboxing the DJI Mic 2, and as you may know, this is one of the best mics available, and this has great sound quality and it works best with your phones and your professional cameras also. So we'll just be testing this out, as having a mic is actually a good thing. So we'll just see if this is actually like what it's reviewed by everyone else. So we'll just open this up. So it just opens from here, and we just take this out. We get this case, and inside the box there is, I guess, yeah, this is an instruction manual. So just keep the box aside, and now we'll just open this case. So it's like this, and yeah, so here is the actual, this is the charging case of the mic. So as you like, there's this is 2 transmitter and 1 receiver. So I'll just keep this, and let's check what else is there. Okay, we don't need this. This is the charging cable. This is a USB-C to USB-A cable, and I think, yeah, that's it. So we'll just keep this over here. So let's just open the mic. So it says press unlock to release. So we just take this out. Let's see, let's take this out, and yes, this is the mic. So this is the receiver, and these are the 2 transmitters. So it's not a big box, so you can carry this around easily, and it's good quality. So you have like it's very reliable. And now just, this is the receiver. This is the one that connects to your phone. So we just select the language and the date, yes, the time, let's change the time. Right now over here it's around 11:10, so we'll just keep it around that. So we'll just change this to approximately, yeah, this should be good. So the mic is ready, and this is, I think this is the receiver. So we connect, so you have the lightning connector here for the iPhone 14 and older models, and you have the USB-C connector here. So let's take the, since I'll be using this iPhone, so this has USB-C, so I'll just connect this. So we just take this out and we slide it in, and here is the connector. So we just place this in. That's it. It's locked now. So now this is in place, and here's the phone. So we just connect this like this. This is how you connect the mic, and this is connected. It says paired here. So I guess that's all we have to do for this. And now we can also, this is the transmitters. So this is the transmitter, and there's 2 of them, because when you're having like an interview or a vlog, a podcast, if you have multiple people, then it would be helpful. And 2 transmitters is the ideal choice for most people. So if you're doing solo, you have the 1 transmitter and 1 receiver option also, though I like the 2 transmitter option better, as I prefer it just in case. So this is the 2 transmitters. They're very small, like it's very small. Now this is the mic 2. You also have the mic mini, which is extra, which is even more smaller than this. However, the mic 2 has a superior sound quality, obviously, and it's just like the noise cancellation is better on this. So that's why I prefer the mic 2 over the mic mini. So we just close this case now. You have also for the lightning phones. So this is that for that. Just close this and keep it here. And now, as you can see here, these the 2 transmitters. You can see the battery levels and then the volume levels. So this is like the how much sound is coming. So if I just speak into it, hello, if I just say something in this, and it's, as you can see here, it's increasing. So the volume is increasing here, look. And the same thing happens for this mic also. So this is the first one here and this is the second one. So it just says 1 and 2, and this is the receiver's battery. So this is the charging case, and this is how you charge both of them with. Just have to hold this and it unlocks. So that's for the charging case. And now we'll just check how actually the mic sounds. This is voice memos, and I'll just start a recording and I'll just say 2-3 words and see how it sound actually. So let's record. Hello everyone. Let's hear this. Hello everyone. So that's good. And versus without the mic, we just keep the mic aside here, both of the mics, and now let's say hello everyone. Hello everyone. So this has more noise cancellation definitely compared to your normal voice, because the speakers cannot differentiate the background noise and your actual voice. So this does a great job in doing that. So this is definitely recommended for that. So as you can, I'll just play it again. Hello everyone. Versus this. Hello everyone. So the voice is lower in this. It sounds much more like the voice is not that clear, and it's way like it's not that loud also. So this is definitely better. And you can also this is really good for interviews. This is one of the best mics for interviews, as it's a wireless mic, so you can just clip it onto your shirt and it'll be like you'll not see it. So it's really good for that. I'll just keep this aside, and there's this clip here also. You can use this clip here, or you also have a magnetic clamp if you want to use that. So yeah, this is the mic, and it's, as per me, it's a really good device, and it's like really recommended for people who make videos and who are like into interviews, podcasts, or anything like that which requires you to speak up. So this is really good for that. And in my opinion, I think the DJI Mic 2 is one of the best wireless mics. So this is definitely a good choice if you're really waiting for a mic. So I think that's it for today. So thank you. Bye.